In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude Projects for beginners. First, sign into your Claude account and go to the main dashboard. In the sidebar, click Projects and then select Create Project. Next, enter a name for your project and open it. Projects help you keep related chats, files, and instructions organized in one place. After that, upload any documents you want Claude to reference. You can add PDFs, documents, spreadsheets, and other supported files to provide additional context for your project. Now, add project instructions if needed. For example, you can tell Claude how you want responses formatted, what tone to use, or what goals you're working toward. Next, start a new chat inside the project. Any conversations you create within the project can use the files and instructions you've added, helping Claude provide more relevant responses. After that, use the project for tasks such as content creation, research, planning, document analysis, brainstorming, or managing ongoing work. Finally, continue adding new files and chats as your project grows, so everything stays organized in a single workspace. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Claude Projects for beginners. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.